Hey guys, I'm Voilen and welcome to day 5 of Advent of Code. So, 4, 3, 2, 1 and let's start. Satisfied with their search on Xeris, the squadron of scholars suggests subsequently scanning the stationary stacks of Sub-Basement 17. The North Pole printing department is busier than ever this close to Christmas, and while the historians continue their search of this historically significant facility, an elf operating a very familiar printer beckons you over. The elf must recognize you, because they waste no time explaining that the new Slay Lounge safety manual updates won't print correctly. Failure to update the safety manuals would be dire indeed, so you offer your services. Safety protocols clearly indicate that new pages for the safety manuals must be printed in a very specific order. The notation XY means that if both pages number X and page number Y are to be produced as part of an update, page number X must be printed at some point before page number Y. The elf has for you both the page ordering rules and the pages to produce in each update, your puzzle input, but can't figure out whether each update has the pages in the right order. Okay, so the first section specifies the page ordering rules, one per line. The first rule, 4753, means that if an update includes both page number 47 and page number 53, then page number 47 must be printed at some point before page number 53. 47 doesn't necessarily need to be immediately before 53. Other pages are allowed to be between them. The second section specifies the numbers of each update. Because most safety manuals are different, the pages needed in the updates are different too. The first update, okay, so these are all separate lines. These are all separate updates. The first update means that the update consists of page numbers 75, 47, 61, 53 and 29. To get the printers going as soon as possible, start by identifying which updates are already in the right order. This is a lot of text for part 1. Of course, you'll need to be careful, the actual list of page ordering rules is bigger and more complicated than the above example. Oh, who would have guessed? Determine which updates are already in the correct order. What do you get if you add up the middle page numbers from those correctly ordered updates? Okay, let's copy the test data. So test data.txt, let's paste this. And then we have our normal data.txt, which is how big can it be? Okay, let's copy. We have this data and we have this data, so I guess we should divide this into 2 columns. First step, okay, what do I know how to do? Not much. So we need to take the middle page number of each update being printed. So let's create a var_l updates. Updates will be packed interarrays. No, it will be arrays of packed interarray. And then for l updates, which is a packed interarray in l updates, for l total, it's an integer, is 0. And then we just do l total plus l update. And we need to get the middle one. So l, let's quickly test this with l updates.append. And let's quickly add 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, whoops. So let's see, now this will print 2, so yes, okay, this works. There is this one issue here, so do we do this? Yep. Okay, what else do we need to do? I think we need to divide the data first into 2 areas. So we have, of what I understand, we need var_l rules, let's put that one on top, and var_l pages. The var_in pages will be an packed interarray. The text is in 2 different parts, so I don't think we can just copy the data like this, we need to split the data first. So we'll need to create our own stuff now. And so func gets rules, this is which returns an array packed int array, get rules, and get pages. For here, we open a new file, so var l file is a file access. Return l data, so it stops giving an error, and that I can quickly run this. So get text. Oh, whoops. This should be a string. Get real no. Get as text. So let's put this on true and let's print the text. Oh. And of course this one will do annoying. Okay, one more time. Okay, so it does print all the data. So now it's kind of simple, I guess. So L text is, let's create a new line. L text is L text dot split. And this should create the correct data. So print L data. Here we need another for loop, so for L string in L line dot split. Over here is a comma, and we don't print. We need new data, so for L entry a packed int array. We just append, so L entry dot append L string, and we create this make this into an int, and then we just do L data dot append L entry, and this line is not needed anymore. So let's quickly print L data to see if everything is actually correct. So now we should get all the comma values, and we do. Okay, so we got the data correctly. So that's the next part done. Pages L ID. Like, I'm starting to make it complicated for myself. I'm starting to think about like ways to. Oh. Okay, I don't know for how long my camera was not recording, but I had another data error on my card. So yeah, Gigastone, I'm never buying from that company again. I'm having way too many issues with that memory card. Okay, so I'm making it a little bit complicated for myself right now because I keep thinking about future proofing, but it's actually very simple. We just need to check right now. There's nothing that we need to like correct or anything. So what I'm thinking of doing is, let's make the comments again. So we go through all the pages. We go through all page numbers. It's quite simple this time, I think. So for L page in L pages LID, we need to do something. So what do we do? Let's quickly copy this so I can start taking notes, because I feel like making some notes will probably be the best way. That's something I have not done in the other challenges, and that has been kind of causing issues. So 75 is not the correct order. It will print 75 before 97. So for rules, for L rule is packed int array inside of L rules. So we do L check dot append. We take the L page number. L break is true. And we break out of this. If there's no L break, L updates dot append. Okay, invalid access of index 1 on a base object of type packed int array. Updates. Let's see what it prints. Do we get them all? Wait, there's a 0 for some reason. Wait, why is there a 0? No, there is not. So we're not getting the correct data. If L line is 0. Oh, it's just 2 if it's not L0. Voila. And over here as well, we should just do, if it's not 1, then we continue. I'm still complaining about something. It's still adding the 0. Why is it adding the 0? Oh, wait, I know. This one needs to go over here. That's it. But now I only have 95. It should be 143. Why am I only getting 95? So let's print L updates again. So I see what is going wrong. So 1, 2, 3. Well, I'm only getting 3. Wait, am I getting the correct 3? Wait, this should work. Why is it not working? Let's print. My code is probably not working. 53, 29, 13. 53, 29, 13. It's getting the wrong one. Wait, let's do seal and then just minus 1. Minus 1. Let's see if that works. 143, 143. So if we now take our normal data, we get 5,166. That's the right answer. You're 1 gold star close to finding the chief historian. So that was rather easy. so much text, but now it's probably, we need to check now. While the elves get to work printing the correctly ordered updates, you have a little time to fix the rest of them. For each of the incorrectly ordered updates, use the page ordering rules. Oh wait, Whilst elves get to work printing the correctly ordered updates, you have a little time to fix the rest of them. For each of the incorrectly ordered updates, use the page ordering rules to put the page numbers in the correct order. For the above example, here are the 3 incorrectly ordered updates and their correct orderings. Oh, this is annoying. So for 3 incorrect, so it's basically the exact same that we need to do, but we need to correct the wrong ones. I knew this was going to come. I knew this. Well, we don't need this anymore. I think I'll just copy this. Put this in 2. If it'll break. Oh, we should probably make a function, I think. Get updates. Func get updates. So we take all of this. And here we need a rules, which is an array packed int array. Let's just copy this and let's change this by pages. We don't need the total, and L updates, we return L updates. So return L updates. And let's have a variable here, another argument. So a correct is a bool. Else, if L correct is wrong, then break needs to be like this, elif. Okay, so let's go back to test data, and I know there's still errors, so I'll handle them a little bit later. So what is going wrong here? So wait, where did my bool go? A correct is a bool. So for L updates, we just get updates, we pass the L rules, we pass the L pages, and we pass the false, because they don't need to be correct. And then we can get rid of this code. We can get rid of this code. And then updates is get updates, L rules, comma, L pages and true. So let's see if we still get the correct one. So 143, 135. The 135s will be incorrect because we still need to reorder them. Another thing that we can do is another function that we can do is func calculate middles, and we just copy this. We put this here and over here. Yep, okay. And this should still print the same. We don't even need this one anymore. Whoops. Let's wait for that one. But this one should just be calculate middles. I pass L updates, or we can basically just do this. And we don't even need to put this into a variable, so it's just to return. And that also works. And we don't even need to create these variables for this function, so we can just do this. We take this, we take this. Okay, so this code becomes a little bit less readable, but whoops, it should still work without any issues. We don't need the pages in this one. So we do need to pass pages in here, so get pages. We need to get the rules. Let's leave total for now as well. And let's return calculate middles L updates. So we get 47, 13 and 74. So the wrong data is 61, 53 and 29. So 13 should be 1, 47 should be 1 and 75 should be 1. Okay, so that's correct. I don't know about the order. I don't know what the order is doing. Okay, but now we need to adjust them. This is an integer, so we can go over all the things. So var L updates is an packed int array, is L updates L I. So we have this. Now we need to check if it comes before or after a certain number. Okay, so we need to reorder them, and in this example it's only like one value that is in the wrong place. Page, this is an int in L updates. L rule, which is a packed int array in L rules. If so, we basically need to check until it's correct, like move a number around until it's correct. But I don't know if this will be possible. Like, I don't know if it's just one number that is incorrect or not. L check dot insert at L check dot find L rule 1 and insert L insert at index. Oh, whoops. Okay, so I think this can work. So we have 135 and the correct answer is 123. L ID to begin with, and we don't append or insert anything. If dots returns the slice of the packed int array from beginning beginning 0 till L page ID, I guess, for L check dot size. Oh, I think I got it. I got it. So I was trying to like push back the find, so this works apparently. So if I do this, I thought I removed the... Nope, not exactly. So yes, it takes some time. But I think this is the answer. That's the right answer. You are 1 gold star closer to finding the chief historian. In total 1.5 hours, so 1 hour and 20 minutes, so I'm doing better than before. So yeah, that was kind of a difficult one. Like all these for loop stuff, like I think I could improve this, but honestly this code is not that long. Yeah, I was not really... I did not really think that I will be able to like finish it right now, like so quickly. As for like moving, like changing things, I think I can do ends, just to have like one less thing here, one less rule here. I think I could possibly also put this into a separate function. Let's just create a new function, func attempt fix, and it should return a packed int array. We return ll check. We actually don't need this, so whoops. So we should just get a update. So we don't even need a ID, and we pass the L updates L ID 4679. Okay, well, this function got simplified. Like I should probably not create L rules the entire time. So L rules is an array. Let's replace this by an A. Let's replace this by an A. Normally there should be one issue. L rules. Okay. And this works. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this whole series. The series has been doing quite amazingly, and I did not think it will get so many views. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, thanks for checking out my Ko-fi supporter and becoming one of these amazing people. But yeah, without my Ko-fi supporters, being able to spend time doing this and working on Gozen and having the motivation to keep working on new things and my open source projects, I would not be able to. So a big thank you to all my Ko-fi supporters, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye. And with the next one, of course, I mean tomorrow. Daily videos.